Hey everybody, it's Bobby here, and it's the beginning of the new year. We always start off the year with air fryer recipes, and today I'm going to do an air fryer recipe for you that happens to be one of my favorites. And this really is the way that I cook salmon at my house too. I use the air fryer all the time. In fact, air fryers are they're ubiquitous nowadays. I think that they make ovens and microwaves with air fryers inside of them. So air fryers are they're the truth. Okay, so I'm going to do a salmon recipe for you today. And it's going to be a maple glazed salmon. It's simple. I'm going to make a little marinade for the salmon and stick it in the fridge for about an hour, and then we'll retrieve it and we'll cook our salmon and we'll make a pineapple glaze, little salsa. Excuse me, not glaze, salsa to go with it. So let's get started. I've got my salmon, a couple of 6-ounce fillets, and in a bowl here, I'm going to combine equal parts maple syrup, teriyaki, and pineapple. And you just know that those three flavors together are gonna be magic. Now to that, I'm gonna add some ginger, not equal part. That's only 1 teaspoon. And I'm also going to, right at the end, after I combine this a little bit, I'm gonna mash a clove of garlic and drop it in there. Now I'm not gonna, excuse me, I'm not gonna dice the garlic or put it through a press because I don't want the actual small pieces. I just want to impart the flavor of the garlic into my marinade. So I'm going to use my good old-fashioned best tool I got and crack that thing open. And all those wonderful garlic flavors will be in my marinade. Really simple. I'm not going to pour it over the salmon. I'm going to put it right into a plastic bag. And very simply add my salmon to it. Close it up. Get rid of the air that's in there. Close it completely. And make sure that my marinade touches every part of my salmon. And oh boy, I know that this is going to be so good. So into the fridge for at least an hour, maybe a little more if you'd like, but an hour at minimum. So let's pop it in the fridge and we'll come back and make our salsa. My salmon is marinating in the refrigerator, so now I'm going to move straight to the pineapple salsa. Okay, so the ingredients are these: pineapple. Imagine that, pineapple salsa. Bell pepper. The colors are fantastic. Tomato. And a little jalapeno for the kick. And to that, a little sugar. And also a little salt. Bobby, where's the juice? Well, I'm planning on this tomato and pineapple giving me that juice. So we're gonna cook this for about 5 minutes. So let's go ahead and take a break and we'll come back and see if I'm right. I am. We did 5 minutes on the stovetop for our pineapple salsa, and it smells, it's so fragrant and it smells so bright and so just refreshing. It's going to be a great side for our salmon. So that's done. And now we're going to put it in the refrigerator to cool for a few minutes. Salmon's been in the refrigerator for about an hour. Looks great. The marinade that we made is, it smells really good. I can smell it even outside the bag. And it looks great. So our salmon into the air fryer. And again, we've got these great parchment papers that we just get right off the internet. And I sprayed it with a little cooking spray, just so the salmon doesn't stick. And 2 beautiful fillets. Mm-hmm. Gosh, that smells so good. So the cooking time for salmon, people are different. Everybody likes, a little something different. If you get beautiful sashimi grade salmon, you could eat it right now, raw. Or, if you like it rare, I've got my air fryer set to 400 degrees. I usually cook mine for anywhere from 6 to 10 minutes. It depends. If I'm having guests over that like a little brown and a little color on the top, I'll go hot for a few extra minutes. About 8 or 9 minutes is the max that I would cook it on. Otherwise, you're sort of overcooking the salmon. So let's go ahead and put it in the air fryer now. 400 degrees. I'm going to cook it for, I'm going to call it 7 minutes. So in we go. Perfect. Oh boy. Nice looking salmon. Look at that. Beautiful. And another piece for dessert, Teresa. So here's our...
happens to be 2 of us, Bobby.
Well, that is true, but you'll never get any. So a beautiful piece of salmon in the air fryer. Just a great, simple way to cook it. Our salsa came out really nice looking enough. I tasted it separately, and gosh, is it bright and just wonderful. Nice addition to the salmon. So if you don't want it right on top of your salmon, put it in a little ramekin or a little bowl on the side, whatever you like. And a little green garnish a little green garnish on top would be nice, but I'm going to try it just as is. First, I want to try the salmon without the salsa and see how our marinade was. Oh boy, is that nice. It's nice just like that. But let's try it with a little bit of the salsa. Chunky pineapple salsa. What a great combination. The brightness of the pineapple, the tomatoes, the jalapenos showed up too. They're right there at the end. They got a little bit of a kick. Really, really nice. Just a wonderful dish and really simple. So start off the year with some air fryer cooking. Even if you're not a huge fan of fish, I think that I can change your mind. Oh boy, is this good. So until next time, thank you. See you later.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.